Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous lessons, what we do, let's go there and see what we have done until now. I go and ask Gemini for the problem and it gives me something that is good. It says that the data have float and we are going to convert each data to a each data to str. Let's see if we can do it like this. Str data x. Okay, I predicted somehow the data x doesn't have a function called str. Okay, let's say let's say for x. Let me just put this back and create a cell here and say for x in data x, if for x in data x, let's create x train. So call it, for example, LL. It's equal for x in data x, LL dot append x strx. Oh, we forget something. Let's run it. Now, x train is equal to LL Now we can delete this and just say it's train. Now importing our library. Now run our x train and then delete it to capture more space, lower space. Then running our code. It's running or not? Please run, please run. I don't need another problem to solve. Just run, just run. Yes! The network is running perfectly. As you can see, it is running the epochs. But I don't know why I give it 1000 epoch. And the loss is great. I even don't remember what loss stand here and how it's calculating the loss. But the important thing is our model is working and working perfectly. Okay, let me give it time to fix it. Time to train. I see you tomorrow in the next